Can I take your picture?
Yeah.
Awesome. Just something you don't see too often. Can I take your picture? Looks cool as hell, man. Actually, looks cool on that bike, man. I like it. What's going on, guys? Mind if I get your picture?
Sure.
Here we go. Just kind of look cool, so. Hey guys, once again, another successful outing with the Ricoh GR III. This time I took it to Franklin, Indiana, a little small town close to where I live. Walked around, snapped some shots. The same thing you would do if you're with your family. Take your compact camera, in this case the Ricoh GR III, and just start snapping pictures. Just something to kind of pass the time. It's also a good conversation piece. Would get you to talk to people you normally wouldn't talk to. Everybody's skeptical at first, but once you kind of just act like you're doing it for a reason and not just being creepy or weird, then, you know, usually they're pretty cool with it. So things like this are fun to do. Get out. It was an evening. It was about 7 o'clock or 7:30. I found a really cool little ice cream stand. I bought some ice cream, of course. Shaved ice on top of ice cream. Awesome. But those are things you got to look for, and those are unique things. Hopefully I can get some good pictures out of that. The other great possibility I did come across, and I'll show a picture here, the Memorial Day tribute to the fallen soldiers along with the courthouse square. That was really cool. Hopefully I got some good shots of that. What do you guys think about this sort of stuff? What do you use your Ricoh GR III for? What do you use your compact camera for? Why are you watching this video, by the way? Are you looking to purchase a camera? Are you trying to decide between the 2 or the 3? Anything, any comments you have at all, please leave those, and I'd be very happy to talk with you. All right, thanks guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Okay, so we're in Franklin, Indiana. We're going to use the Ricoh GR III for small town photography. Got some rain coming in possibly. I believe it's going to miss us. One reason I wanted to come out, I've got a new windscreen for my GoPro 7 Black. Hopefully it's going to perform well. I'll put that up on the screen so you can see what that's all about. It was about $11, I think. I also have my JJC thumb grip here. Hopefully you can see that. We're at, well, let me take a picture here just to make sure what. Okay, so that's not going to work. So we're going to go to 1/25th of a second. And we're going to change our aperture to 5.6, and we're 200 ISO, and I think that's going to give us what we need. There we go. Okay, so we're going to walk around and just take some shots. Kind of things you would do if you were walking around town, maybe with the family or something like that. Just wanted to get some shots. Nothing spectacular, but just kind of a cool thing to do. There's our t-shirt, straight out of quarantine. Go down to about a 60th of a second on this one. Back up to, okay, I'm going to stay at 100, 1/100th of a second on the shutter speed, 5.6 on the aperture, and 200 on the ISO. I'm all manual. I'll just change as we go. Oh, let me go ahead and also add highlight priority, highlight weighted, so we don't end up blowing out if we take, for instance, shots of the sky or what have you. If you're in RAW, it almost doesn't matter. However, I like to have highlight priority on, highlight weighted in the Ricoh GR III, just to prevent me from trying to face things I'm taking pictures of. Okay, there's an ice cream stand I want to get down here, so I'm going to put this thing in turbo mode, and we're going to fly a couple blocks here really fast. So hang on, here we go. Okay, let's stop and get a picture of this real quick. Let's just get here and yeah, I don't think I can make anything out of this, and I don't really want to spend. Oh, okay, well, this is kind of cool. Okay, that's kind of cool. Okay, back to turbo mode. Okay, so here we are back to the spot. Oh, okay, this is kind of, I'm gonna have to get in closer to get this shot, to get a cool shot. So I'll have to get about middle of the street. Not easy to do. This is where a zoom lens would come in handy, but we don't have a zoom, so we'll take what we got here, but this is fine. Can I take your picture? Yeah. Awesome. Just something you don't see too often. There we go, right here. I'm gonna take another one here. It's kind of dark in there. I'm gonna get one way up in there here. Sorry about that. Okay, you can put your hand down there. Okay, one more here. Try to get your face. There we go. Excellent. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna shoot around a little more, then I'm gonna buy some ice cream or whatever it is you're selling. Wait to get her to pop her head out the door. She pops out. Snap it.
Got a grape.
Oh, she's quick.
Strawberry with ice cream.
Lean it out there. Come on, get the picture.
There you go.
There we go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, brain freeze, brain freeze. Oh. Oh, brain freeze. Oh, crap. Ooh, that one hurt. But let's go back for more. I guess we'll take some pictures of the Indian, because why not? Okay, so some interesting clouds going on up here. Corners interesting. What's going on, guys? Mind if I get your picture? Sure. Got a couple shots here. Yeah, you just look like you belong sitting on that bike, man. Oh, that's badass. I don't suppose I could get you to put that mask on, would you? Sure. All right, here we go. Getting some close-ups and a few different shots here. That's cool. Here. There we go, right on. How about the other mask? You want to put it on? Sure. A little more color in that one. All right, here we go. Like I said, a couple close-up ones here. Cool. I'm gonna get one like way close. Sorry to invade your space. All right, now back here. Cool. You got an email address? I'll shoot you a couple of these. Let me get a shot of you. He already went through it. Let's go, man. Cool bike, cool bike. There we go. There we go, just look here. Right on, right on. Here, give me another look here. Get something, I don't want to be in the background there, reflection. All right. I'm gonna get a close one, okay? Invade your space here, man. I was just telling him I kind of do YouTube videos, just walk around towns, take pictures and stuff.
I've never seen somebody with a GoPro on their chest.
Yeah, it's kind of, I mean, it obviously stands out. Usually, like if I go downtown Indianapolis or something, it doesn't get as noticed as much. Cool. Okay, I'll shoot you guys an email then. Thanks a lot, man. Back to 100. Let's go to an aperture of 5, or ISO of 200. Breeze is picking up a little bit. We'll find out how good my windscreen is working. shot of the courthouse. It's 18 millimeter or 28, certainly gives you plenty of room here. Get that shot. Ought to be a decent shot. So I'm going to walk out in front of this again. What's up, man? Can I take your picture? Can I take your picture? Look cool as hell, man. Oh, hang on. All right. Actually, it looks cool on that bike, man. I like it. So it seems like the bikers are the ones that are most photogenic in a small town, it appears. But still, you know, again, having fun, going downtown. If you're with the family and you got to walk around. Now the reason I'm on manual, and I'm at 200 ISO, I'm going to leave it there, but the reason I'm on manual is so that I can have a little bit of depth of field. Okay, this is kind of... doubt that'll be of any... Okay, kind of cool. Take one more here. Okay. So you just got to really look for creative stuff. Speaking of which, a little more light. Okay. There we go. Could probably play more with that, but I'm not going to. Go. Fixed lens doesn't give you a whole lot to go with, so you got to pick your spots, and what better spot than this, right? Oh yeah. So this is a situation where I'm just pointing and shooting and anything I can. Let's see how we can do this. Oh yeah. That's about the best one right there. Trying to get the top of the flag from the courthouse in. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, this is even better, I think, if we can get this framed up here as a vertical. Oh, I think we're money right now. Okay, so we're going to focus on the lawn. Let me just get to the very corner here. There we go. Wow, that was really good. Killed it. Well, almost. Oh, there's more ice. No, it's not more ice cream. Wow, that was good. Okay, so that's our small town photography. Oh, now my hands are all sticky. That's small town photography with the Ricoh GR III. And my opinion would be that if you're walking around, if your destination is to be somewhere in the first place, then it's great to have with you and be able to snap off. I guarantee I got some decent shots. Not a ton, but you know, I also wasn't here very long, and there was nothing going on while I was here. But I'm hoping for the ice cream van or ice cream trailer to turn out decent. maybe the biker shots to turn out decent, and maybe a couple other hidden ones in there. All right, so long everybody.